Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is derelict. It's pronounced de-re-lict, and it is spelt D-E-R-E-L-I-C-T. Think der, then L, then ict. Derelict describes something, usually a location or building, which is in a very poor condition as a result of disuse and neglect. For example, you could say, "We visited a large derelict castle." The word derelict comes from the Latin derelictus, meaning solitary or deserted. Did you know that a lot of old Olympic venues and stadiums have now been left abandoned and derelict? After the games are over and all the teams and fans have gone home, you might have wondered what happens to all the Olympic venues. Some have been turned into tourist attractions, others into sports stadiums or concert halls. One was even turned into a prison. But unfortunately, some of these sites have been left entirely unused and have become completely derelict, despite the millions or billions spent to build them. Derelict is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, the small town contained a number of dirty and derelict buildings waiting to be demolished. Derelict also has another, less commonly used meaning. It can be used as a noun, meaning a person without a home, job, or property. So you could say, the derelict has lost his home long ago. Derelict is defined in the dictionary as a building or place which is not cared for and in a bad condition. Derelict synonyms include dilapidated, run down, broken down, worn out, ruined, falling apart, decrepit, and deteriorating. Antonyms include safe, new, good, nice, used, careful, caring, improved, and populated. See if you can notice any derelict spaces today. It could be an old and unused shed or structure, or it could be a strange old abandoned house. Either way, impress your friends and family by using this new word today, derelict. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.